Hello everybody, my name is Tommy Tom, and welcome back to my series that can finally start again after a long break. This is because I've been busy trying to live like a snail. That's my excuse. Anyway, hold your socks tight, because today we will venture deep beneath the surface to find another mystical creature. Welcome to the deep caves of deepness. Look at this. This is the larva of what we are looking for. Small and disgusting. This means that we're getting close though, so let's see if we can find a bigger one. Let's put this fella back. It was dark, like the mouth of a hippo, but I was getting closer to my goal. Oh! Look at this beauty! Wait, let me get it out. So thick and filled with marvelous love. This is a good one. Now, the funny thing about these amazing creatures is that if you twist them, they perish and die. Alright, let's put this fellow back. If you would look at my face, you could clearly see that I was very excited. I was even excited from being excited. Friendly badgers of the north. That loud vibration noise means that we're getting close to what we're searching for. Oh, there it is. The MSN butterfly. Yes, that's right. The butterflies that made the sounds for the program MSN Messenger. If you've never heard about MSN Messenger, that might be because you're too young to have experienced such ancient technology. I had to be very careful when approaching them, because these butterflies are very desperate for human contact. This is because we once used them to make the sounds of MSN Messenger live whenever someone texted or did anything in MSN Messenger. But then, when MSN Messenger became less popular, they were thrown out alone in the wilderness, completely helpless. I'm so excited right now. This is even more exciting than when I rode a shark across the ocean while it was dead. But it doesn't beat crawling inside a whale and living there for 2 years. That's the wipe sound once again. They make it to get attention. That was close. Let's get my living body out of here. That's it for now. See you next... Wait a minute. Why am I so excited? Oh, watch out!